what am I doing tonight? I am looking for a set of nuts for this piece right here to put on. I need 4 because I'm going to weld this in place so this can wobble around so I can get it to, you can see that. What is it? It's a feed for my bench. It's back there. But I need 4 bolts. And I will pivot you to my bench here so you can watch me sort out bolts. Find 4 of them. So here's my massive bolt collection right here. So I found one. Fits good. This one, a little burr on it. That one fits somewhat okay. This one sucks. That one's kind of snug. There's like all kinds of bolts in here. Nice old-fashioned square ones. Let's see. That doesn't fit. I have a feeling these are different thread. See, some of these, if you look at these bolts, is it this one? They all kind of, I don't know. Where's this one? They're all just a little bit jiggly. So, not even sure if this is metal. Zinc. I'd rather just use all these zinc plated ones. This is, I think this is yeah, it's a fine thread. It's got some fine thread on it. Fine. Right. That one doesn't work. That one doesn't work. Does it work? Nope. What about this one? Does this one work? There we go. Got 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put this one back. That one back. What am I planning on doing with them? I'm taking these. This is for, see it's got a self-leveling feature. I'm gonna weld the bolt on the bottom of the bench. And then, gotta make a flat plate. I'm gonna probably tack weld this to a square plate for the bottom. Let's damn light off here. I'm gonna punch a hole through a small metal plate. I'm gonna weld this onto the metal plate, put it on the bottom, and just feed this inside it. I don't know if I want to put it on an angle though, because I might put it somewhat straight. I mean, I got a pretty big angle to play with, so I could put it like this, but I want to put it straight so this way it's all 4 of them can self-level. Let me get the other ones. There's one for that one. Oops. There's number 4. There's 3. Oh, great. Did I lose number 4? Did I lose number 4 in the bench? There it is. I had, what do you call it? If you've seen the previous video, or it's not up, I don't know if it's up yet, but I had, I bought some weld cups with little plastic inserts, but I don't have a really large flat surface to sit there and figure out what's perfect. I'd rather have something that can just sit on the floor. And maybe I'll just put a little sticky tab on here, little cushioning thing. So I put the bolts on here so I don't lose them. Nuts, I mean, sorry. It's nuts. What I should do is figure out what size thread this is and put a thick enough steel plate in the bottom and just thread it and see if it works. That might be a better option. But in the meantime, I have to cut a piece of square out, a little flat bar. Actually, you know what? If I use a quarter-inch flat bar, I could theoretically do that. Put the benches on the floor here. I gotta take all the junk off the bench because I've been using it for storage center. So I'll do that and I'll get to make another video. In the meantime, my microphone is right here. What do you call it? charging, so I'll be using that for now. Anyway, hope you liked the video.